So this is how the lap starts. Here we want to stay near to this cone and brake. Third gear, second gear, blue cone, and second blue cone. When you're aligning the steering wheel, you open gas. Open this so you hear me.
Yes, oh, better.
Then here we stay up to the right. Very delicate with the steering wheel. Here we anticipate. So we brake straight.
Straight.
Blue cone.
What is blue cone?
Blue cone is the direction. Here we go out again. We stay on the right. Braking cone. Blue cone. All in. Other blue cone and we come out. I go straight to that cone there, where I brake, and I point to this cone. Then I give gas. Now I'll do it a bit faster to show you. Of course, you want to build up the speed gradually. I was not going at maximum also here, but this is not the objective today. It's just to have fun in safety. Keep inside. Second gear. Brake. Okay. Wait. Okay. Don't accelerate all, just very gradually, okay? Keep in the inside a bit more. Brake more. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go. Keep on the right. You see?
Yes.
You went a bit outside because of the angle. We want to work on that. Stay on the right.
Here.
Third gear. Perfect.
Second?
No. Keep on the left. First brake, brake, brake. Brake more. No, this is fourth gear, not fifth. Brake more. The braking technique is before you brake stronger and then a bit less. Okay?
First strong.
First strong and then less. Okay. On the right. Okay, that's good. Wait, wait, don't go too far out because the track is dirty outside. Okay. So now we are getting the idea of how this works.
Yes.
So now we've got this, and now we think about the pedals. So when you are in, and now the car you feel that is turned, that's when you want to add a bit of gas gradually. Okay?
Now.
Yes. You want it to be like a smooth acceleration. Yes. Wait.
Too early.
Almost, almost.